Over the course of the next two videos, we will introduce the W3C Web of Things by exploring its application domains and common architecture patterns. In this video, our focus will be smart homes and smart cities. In smart homes, the ability to connect and manage multiple assets remotely over the network is highly beneficial. The interesting aspect of smart homes isn't tied to a specific solution you buy, but rather in how WoT enables flexibility. A manufacturer can provide a thing description, or TD for short, for their device, which lets anyone build and customize their own systems. By following these open standards, devices can communicate with each other across brands, allowing for seamless integration. This approach ensures that devices remain adaptable and private, and don't become obsolete, as they can continuously support new use cases and technologies. Now that we've covered the basics of smart homes, let's take a closer look at the architecture patterns that enable these systems to work efficiently in a typical local network and remote control scenario. A common pattern involves using a controller, locally and/or remotely, to interact with devices on the home network by consuming the thing description. Devices are represented by TDs and act as servers, responding to commands from client controllers, for example, smartphones, for actions such as reading sensor values or actuating devices. Gateways are another pattern commonly found in smart homes. Gateways connect home networks to the internet, enabling remote management and monitoring. A gateway can use the local TD of a device to provide web-level access management, allowing devices to be accessed and managed both locally and remotely over the web. In the local network, the device uses one protocol for control, while externally, another protocol is typically used to manage remote interactions. The gateways facilitate communication between local devices and external controllers, enhancing accessibility and control. Smart buildings such as offices, schools, government facilities, shops, and hotels are the next important step towards building a smart city. Unlike homes, the things are owned and managed by the building owner, rather than by the individuals who just control them. The features of these buildings mainly focus on comfort, like proper airflow, and safety, like fire alarms and security systems. They often use protocols like BACnet, Modbus, and KNX for local control, which are not typical in a smart home. WoT can enhance interoperability, allowing different systems to work together more seamlessly. Since a smart city consists of many smart buildings and additional infrastructure, smart buildings are a crucial step towards scaling up to a fully connected city. In a smart city, WoT's domain-agnostic nature enables scalability across various municipal systems, making it more flexible than traditional IoT solutions. WoT's ability to seamlessly integrate different domains, such as water management, air quality monitoring, and traffic control, makes it a perfect fit for urban environments. WoT leverages open standards like thing descriptions and built-in web protocols in addition to traditional IoT protocols. This allows devices from different systems and manufacturers to communicate. This flexibility ensures that smart cities can scale as needed, adding new devices and systems without being tied to a single vendor or technology. Multi-ownership also becomes an option. Different organizations or managers oversee different things, while WoT ensures seamless interoperability across all of them. Additionally, WoT's use of open standards supports a wide range of protocols, making it adaptable to various architectures, whether client-server or publish-subscribe, with or without cloud involvement. This versatility allows smart cities to choose the best approach for their infrastructure. In addition to this and the upcoming video, the WoT architecture document contains many domain-specific examples beyond the ones covered in these videos. If you want to learn more, you can check out this website. You can proceed to the next tutorial by clicking on the card or the video description.